Hello and welcome to my video. In this video we going to learn how to compress a video file without losing quality. Let's start. For this we going to use two methods. Method 1. Go to https://handbrake.fr/. Handbrake is an open source tool for converting video from nearly any format to a selection of modern, widely supported codecs. Reasons you love Handbrake: 1. Convert video from nearly any format. 2. Free and open source. 3. Multi-platform, Windows, Mac, and Linux. Click on Downloads. Download Handbrake software according to your operating system. Install. And we are ready to compress a video file without losing quality. Source video file size is 1.41 GB, which is a lot. Let's see how much Handbrake will reduce size without losing quality. Drag and drop source video file in a Handbrake. On a Summary tab, select Video Format MP4. Check on Web Optimized. Save compressed file your selected location. Rename file. Leave dimensions and other settings same in a Dimensions tab. Off all filters. Select default video codec, which is H264. Select frame rate, same as source. For quality, 18 to 20 used for standard definitions and 20 to 23 used for high definitions. Select 22. For optimized video, select fast. If you will select slow or very slow, it will increase file size. No change for audio, subtitles and chapters. Click on Start Encode. Compressing process will take several minutes to complete. Let's compare source file size and Handbrake compressed video size. Source file size is 1.41 GB, while Handbrake compressed video size is 182 MB. Wow, this is a huge difference. I mean really huge. Let's see quality of Handbrake compressed video. Wow, it's pretty good. Handbrake does a really good job to reduce size without losing quality. Method 2. Go to https://www.videoland.org. Click on Windows icon. VLC is a free and open-source cross-platform multimedia player and framework that plays most multimedia files, as well as DVDs, audio CDs, VCDs, and various streaming protocols. Click on Download button. Install. Go to Media, Convert, and Save. Add source video. Click on Convert and Save button. Select video for YouTube HD. Click on Setting button. In Encapsulation tab, select MP4. Select codec H264. Select frame size as source, which is 1920 width and height 1080. No change for other tabs. Select where you want to save your compressed file. Rename file. Press Start button. Compress process will take several minutes to complete. Let's check VLC compressed file quality. Wow, great quality. Let's compare source file, Handbrake compressed file and VLC compressed file. Source file size is 1.41 GB. Handbrake compressed file is 182 MB. VLC compressed file 261 MB. Which is great, as compared to source file. All three videos consist on same length, frame width and height. We successfully converted source file into compress file without losing quality using two methods. Keep watching our videos for more tips and tricks. Please subscribe and like our video.